Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. I was at the store and happened to find a couple of new designs that I hadn't had a chance to see before, and I wanted to get a chance to share them with you guys and remind you of some of the really good origami paper series that are out there. This particular one today is from the company Midori, and they make really adorable stationery sets, letter sets, and then this whole side of things that's called origami. And it's origami is what it's called. Lots of times of saying origami. And you can use this whether it be for actually doing origami or for writing letters. They have a whole bunch of stuff and ways that they suggest using things. You can use it to make your own chopstick holders, to fold up to make your own letters, to make little pyramid boxes, to make your own gift boxes, of course, to make a crane. So many fun different things that they suggest for you to do. And they always have really cute patterns. Now, these particular guys, all of their stuff that they have in this series always has two color choices. So, you know, sometimes you buy origami and it comes with, 4 or 5 different variations. These guys always have just 2. And there's, I love how they do this because they don't fold the paper so you don't feel like they've ruined anything for you. They have that little guy there to show you. This one is just such a pretty line kind of pattern with the warmer colors and the cooler colors. And I just thought it was so pretty. Really nice. Reminds me of spring. Just seems like spring. So now this particular paper is a really great Chiyogami because it has that nice kind of shiny wax almost like finish to the top layer, and then the underside is a really nice little textured paper, so it creates a really good crisp fold when you do make something with it, which is nice, and it's sturdy, so if you use it for like a gift wrap of some sort, it can hold up to that. The nice thing is inside they have a little bit of some directions for some of the projects that they suggest. Pretty much everything that was pictured there, they have little instructions of how to make everything, so that's nice. And you wind up getting 2 of these, 2 of those different patterns, and for a total of 20 sheets, which is really pretty. So I definitely thought that was a good color set to have, and to have both of those color patterns. This would make some beautiful modular paper origami projects would be really fun with this. So something I definitely recommend if you guys get a chance, because they are nice. Now you get these 20 sheets and it runs usually about 300 yen, I guess, at least I'm gonna say. It's a little more than like 100 yen store paper, but it's definitely worth it because it is a little higher quality. So I would recommend, if you guys know you're going to be visiting Japan, there's always lots of different places to get origami paper. There's, places that strictly just focus on origami paper, touristy places and stuff where you're going to find yuzen and stuff like that, and that's great. But if you want more modern kind of paper that people in Japan use more currently, then we do use, of course, yuzen and things, but to have this kind of stuff, these are more in stationary goods stores, especially sometimes they may not even be near the origami paper. They're more near the stationary paper sets. So kind of look around everywhere to make sure you found everything when you come. So I will have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Look for that. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.